Jai Shri Krishna. This video is part of Gita Olympiad 2025. Today, on the auspicious day of Mauni Amavasya, I thought of visiting Gaushala and spend some time with cows. In Hinduism, cows hold important significance. Hindus consider cows as sacred animals because they symbolize purity and motherhood. That's why cows are called as Gomata. Cows are associated with several deities, especially Lord Krishna, who is often depicted as covered or Gopala, means protector of cows. Caring for cows is considered as virtuous act. Feeding or and providing shelter to cows bring blessings and spiritual merit. Cow shelter or gaushalas are established to protect abandoned cows from slaughtering. I spent today nearly 20 minutes in observing cows calmly. Their behavior was very polite. I fed some fruits to the cows. Outside food was not allowed. Lord Krishna was very fond of cows. In 10th Adhyaya himself, Shlok 28, he said that he is in Kamadhenu. When we bow to Gomata, we bow to countless devatas within her. She is the embodiment of divine energies. That's why we have to save cows from slaughtering. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna. वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् ॐ श्रीपरमात्मने नमः। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता अथ दशमोऽध्यायः विभूतियोग। श्रीभगवानुवाच भूय एव महाबाहो शृणु मे परमो वचः यत्तेऽहं प्रीयमाणाय वक्ष्यामि हितकाम्यया न मे विदुःसुरगणाः प्रभवन्न महर्षयः अहमादिर्हि देवानां महर्षीणां च सर्वशः यो मामजमनादिञ्च वेत्ति लोकमहेश्वरम् असम्मूढः समर्थेषु सर्वपापैः प्रमुच्यते। जय श्री कृष्ण। ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಬಾ ಬಾ
ಇಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡದ ತಿನ್ಬಿಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಗ್ರೀನ್ చెప్పు ಗ್ರೀನ್ అని చెప్పు మడిచి తిరుగు పట్టుకో
ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬಾ ಬಾ
ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಡಿರಿ ಹಬ್ಬ